Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply background colors with a color opacity. This is a very simple and easy lecture. In previous lecture, we have taken and learned how to apply the colors. So here I'm going to explaining to applying of a background colors of entire screen or a particular component you may apply. And in addition to the applying of these colors to making and controlling of opacity. So let's see. For this I'll show you a simple of how it is going to be applied. So I'm taking as a background color for this first. So the body, body, open and close, background color, and it is let's check with the light blue. Save it, reload the page. So we are getting a light blue color we are able to getting here. So I'm trying to reducing the opacity of this particular option, like a light color I'm trying to apply. So opacity property you have to apply here and add your opacity level. It may be 1, save it and reload. So no changes. If you are applying like a opacity like a 0. Some around 6, 0.6, yeah, save this, check it. When you are refreshing, check this, it's making a light color. If I am applying like 0.62 around something 3, save this and reload. Very light color it is applying the opacity. Similarly, you may apply like 1, 0.1. Yes, a particular portion, how you want to apply for this opacity, you may apply for H1 tag and you may apply for paragraph tag. All the background colors will control how you treat as in a controlling level. So 0.6 you may put, 0.1, irrespective of your wish to apply and modify these see the last paragraph is going very low if it is 0.1. Alright, so make sure to making a light colors. Make sure to put a light colors wherever you require. You just apply one more property which is called opacity. The background colors which are going to be effectively you want to display few. And if you want to shade effect, if you want to display at a CSS page, yes, you may apply this opacity option along with the background color. So it's a very simple lecture for you. Try to add these attribute as opacity to control your background colors in either body, H1 tag, paragraph tag or any other HTML elements. So I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.